True player for real. That's my nigga for real. Situations will arise in our life. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, I hope you stay enjoying the family. Hey, 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 hey. Anyways, I said it already, but I might not put the clip in here. So today's video is going to be a kitchen refresh, kitchen reset, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be cleaning out this lovely thing right here. I'm going to be making a grocery list. It's cold. Let me close it real quick. I'm going to be making a grocery list, and I am going to fill this out. I got this off of Amazon, by the way. I'm going to do a weekly meal plan. I usually be trying to do this, but sometimes I don't know what I'm going to be eating from day to day or whenever. So I haven't filled it out in a while, but I want to fill it out today. I want to keep up with it. But yeah, let's get to cleaning. Oh, I forgot to add, I'm gonna do my cabinets too. So yeah, we just gonna do all the food, see what we got, what we need, all that and all that and all that and all that. But let's get to it. I need some water, y'all. I don't get no water. And this right here, this ice is nasty. But I need some water. So I'm just gonna have to get the water and not get the ice. But yeah, whatever. Let's get to work. Close that because I ain't ready for that. Look what I got. You see what I got? Yeah, I see too. It's all wrong because this is my breakfast food shelf. This is the only juice we got, and I don't even like this juice, but I've been drinking it because I ain't got shit else to drink. But yeah, let's take this stuff out. Yeah, I really don't like my kitchen setup. I really don't freaking like it. I think I already probably showed you. I'm sure I did. My laundry room is right here, and then you see this. It's minimal space right here. Like this kitchen is small. I don't like no small kitchen. Although I don't like cleaning up. Well, I ain't gonna say I don't like cleaning up a big kitchen. I don't like mopping a big kitchen, which is I don't like mopping any fucking way. So really, why it matter? But this right here, this little space, it's like I don't like it. And I want a refrigerator that look like cabinets. You won't even know. You come on my house, you don't know where to look for my food. You don't know where my food at because you might, oh, my refrigerator. Oh, I thought there was a pantry. No, boo, that's my refrigerator. Get your ass out of it. Yeah. But let's take I didn't take my vitamin D today. I didn't take my prenatal today. Yes, I take prenatals. No, I'm not pregnant. Yes, I'm trying to get pregnant, just in case you want to know. And you can take prenatals before you're pregnant, during pregnancy, after pregnancy. It doesn't matter. They got vitamins in it. But I also got vitamin D plus K, vitamin D3 plus K2 because the doctors don't tell you to take vitamin D3 and K together for better absorption. They just want you to take one of them. But yeah, whatever. This is about the refrigerator, right? But no, it's about everything because I'm going to talk to y'all why I do this. So it won't, because this is not aesthetic. Because I ain't with all that. I'm not very well. I'm aesthetically pleasing, but because I look good, baby. But yeah, this is not one of those videos. This is a realistic. We finna have a conversation. Y'all finna see how I talk on a daily basis because baby, I be just switching topics during mid conversation. Like, baby, we could be talking about anything. Like, and then something else comes to my mind, like, oh, I did the same. I did it to my mama yesterday. But she used to it, so she just go with the flow. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter. And y'all tell me why I fixed 8 pieces of chicken. What was that? That was last week, last Sunday. I got 2 left. We ate 6. We was stank too. We ate 6. I don't know why. I don't know why I fixed that much. It was only 2 people. But I do know why I want to get rid of them chicken legs. But we still got 2 left. And they finna go to church because I don't want no more. I don't know why we doing it because we don't really like leftovers that much. I eat rice until it's gone, but I don't like to eat leftovers 3 times in a row, or the same thing 3 times in a row. So I eat it for dinner, then I eat it for lunch the next day maybe. But sometimes I don't want it for dinner the next day, or I might eat it again the day after that. But y'all get it anyways. Come on, clean this shit out. How y'all day been? What y'all do today? Let's talk to all my let me talk to all my pregnant folks right now, or my mama's right now, or yeah, the pregnant folks. How did y'all conceive naturally? Cause I'm having a hard time now. So I don't know if y'all know or saw the videos, but I had 2 ectopic pregnancies, one in 2023, one in 2024, and it seemed like after that second one, I ain't pregnant no more. I can't. It just ain't happening no more. We was thinking about doing IUI, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, how did y'all like? Oh no. Yes, that too. But did y'all check y'all ovulation? Because I've been trying to like track this TMI, but I don't care. I've been trying to check my cervical mucus, but sometimes that shit get tricky. Like, did y'all check y'all ovulation, like, and all that? Like, what did y'all do? Oh, doing y'all TTC journey. Give me some tips and some tricks because I'm not the only one that want a child. My husband is ready too. We're ready to start a family. We've been ready to start a family. We was excited. I was very excited when I found out I was pregnant in 2023. Then 3 weeks to be exact later, my world was crushed. And it broke my soul. It broke my soul, y'all. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it anymore because I might get sad or whatever. Let's clean this refrigerator. I got this stuff. I got these catfish nuggets, y'all. I actually need to make these. I don't know when I'm gonna make them, but yeah. Oh, hold on. See? I didn't even know I had this. This was hot. I thought I just had one corn. Look there. See? Hiding behind stuff. Got these sausages. These fries I don't like. My husband bought them. I don't know why he bought them. I don't like them. I might just probably start making my own fries. Got some wings. Some party wings. Got some whole wings. Some more whole wings. And yes, I put my stuff in bags after I come from the store. Oh Lord, hold on. I got this chicken. I don't know what. Ooh, y'all know. I need to ask my mother-in-law how she make her chicken salad. Cause baby, she had made some one day when we was standing there a little while ago. Yeah, I know I ate almost the whole bowl. It was so dang on good. I was like, ooh. And I didn't know mayonnaise go in it. Baby, I didn't taste no mayonnaise. This stuff was good. I don't know what. Why did I close the refrigerator? Now I gotta wipe it down. What y'all wipe y'all refrigerators down with? I only use soap and water. And then I seen the video today. Somebody was doing it. Somebody coming was like, you shouldn't use chemicals in your refrigerator because it still can get in your food. I stopped. I used to do that, but now I just use soap and water, like because that's what I thought. I was like, I don't wanna use that on my refrigerator. But yeah, take a picture of these. I don't like that. It's the light. What is this? Thumbnail. Maybe what they be seeing. Oh yeah, this is better. That laundry room light on. Damn, girl, I said a picture, bitch. At least I thought I said a picture, bitch. Get that jacket out of my picture, bro. Drew playing for real. That's my nigga for real. Situations will arise in our life, but you gotta be smart about it. Vibration with the gas, I sacrifice. And that's well, I loved you, bitch. See, I thought the word of you. Girl, your face is been more smart about it. Shoulda cherished. You the one cheated. But you talking about I supposed to cherish you. Love you. It's okay, girl. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl. Tonight. To stay home. So tonight, I'm gonna do what a single man does. And that's party. Oh, yeah, yeah. Come on. You ain't gotta come. You don't get to call. And y'all, I'm sure y'all see my refrigerator don't get that dirty. It better not get that damn dirty with just two motherfuckers in this house. Like, I'm alright. That's stupid. Why I'm doing it like that? Clean the top first, top down, top down. You don't clean the bottom first. That's retarded. He gonna do what a single man does. Yeah, I think I want one of them. Well, probably not. Yeah, I do. I want one of them drink dispensers. That's probably the only thing. I mean, yeah, yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. I think I want one of them. Them probably the only thing I want, and maybe the egg container. That's probably and the pasta and rice containers. That's all I want. The other stuff, I don't really care about. I don't really care about. But I don't know. My pantry, I might get like, I don't know, like some wicker baskets and like put candy and stuff in it, so I won't have to keep them in boxes. But I don't know. But not in this. I don't know. We'll see. I'll let y'all know what I decide on when I decide on what I'm gonna decide on. Let me change my song. If you, I'm too fly for this shit. You playing yourself. Why she calling you? What time? 3 a.m. She can't take that no more. Here we go. Again, telling me. Just a friend. Calling you. What time? 3. Why? You true? Random chick. Why y'all cursing shit? Pass that ass. Think about me. Like, damn. Just like, man. I hope what's up, cap. Oh, dusty ass. The queen of Miami. All that loud talking line. It sounds like, uh-huh. Okay. Shut up. 3 o'clock. Oh, I'm a family. How? How? Say? Not this time. I don't want to hear it, buddy. Don't want to hear it, buddy. And no, y'all see, I'm not taking these trays out, especially not the freezer, cause I already ain't got no room to even open the refrigerator door. This freezer get cold as fuck. Okay. Yeah, sometimes I be forgetting what songs I done downloaded on my Apple Music, and when they come out, I be like, ah, I be shocked because I be don't be knowing or I be forgetting. Like this song playing in my ear, not my ear. What the fuck is my ear? And the song I'm listening to is "Come Get Her." So somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Girl, you're spilling all the liquor. She's spilling all the liquor. Dancing like a stripper. Stripper. Whew, that freezer cold as fuck. My fingers is freezing. Moving. I thought she said movie. She said movement. Ha. Um. Okay. Now let's put all of this stuff back. Butter. My broth. What's this one? Chicken. Vegetable. Put vegetable in the front. No, I'm gonna do alphabetical order. Beef, chicken, vegetable. What else go right there? Put this little right there now. Probably not there. My vitamin D. Put that in there. Cake count. What song this is? Above water. What if I can this? Uh, marinade. Or should I put that in here? I think I'll put that up too. Jalapenos. When do these expire? August 6, 2028. My jalapenos. My jalapenos. Go, go, go. I need to use this pizza sauce. I want to make a pizza next week too. But it's all right. All right. My wash your sister sauce. Ketchup that I don't eat. What else? Thousand Island. Cause we don't eat no ranch up in here. This is what I need to put salsa. I ain't got no chips for this. I'm actually about to throw this away. It's trash. What else? Tomato sauce. Put that right there with that too. Relish. Relish. What else? What else in the dough? Nothing. 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 My onions. Um, my I'm gonna eat some tuna tonight. I was gonna make my soup that I saw on TikTok, and it looks so good, y'all. But it's already 4 o'clock, and it's almost 5 o'clock. If I was gonna make that soup, I would have been put this shit on, but I'm not about to do it. Okay. I'm supposed to be making a list as I do this. I'll be right back. Another lesson learned. Oh shit. 2 of us. I don't want to forget. Or he didn't even. Scared love. Yeah. I feel like I'm missing something from up here, but I'm not. Oh, I know what I need. I damn miss some. I need some coffee creamer, even though I don't drink coffee. I use it sometimes for my French toast, French vanilla coffee creamer. Uh-huh. Cause French toast is delish. I need to get damn, where is it? I don't know. I don't know, ladies, gents, hers. But being lost in love is scary. Oh, yeah. What I said, coffee creamer. I don't like this pen. So scared, love. All right, let's do my drinks. The two that I got, Bic and this ain't a, it could be a drink for some people, but I mean this and this. And no, you're not supposed to put your milk in the door of the refrigerator, just in case y'all don't know, didn't know. I just recently found out you ain't supposed to put your stuff like this in a, cause it'll go bad before it's supposed to go bad. Girl, who is this? Oh, this is the cold world. Yeah. Um. This. So now I put it at the back. In my pocket. Um, that's all I got. Put that right there. Now, the second, the eggs, 315. Put that right there. Yeah, that's it. I got no more breakfast, nothing. 7:45. What is this? Yeah, I'll keep this. Sloppy Joe sauce. Cat on the moon. Black on the moon. Ribbon on the sky. Nope. I'm gonna throw this away too. This is chili. That it ain't gonna get ate. I don't think. I'm gonna throw it away. Wait, see the class in the legend. What that mean? This fish fry. I'm gonna keep that. Really, I'm basically just putting mostly everything back in the fucking refrigerator. That's what it looks like. What else going in there in this spot? Not this. This is bell pepper I chopped up. I need to take my beans out of here. I need to do that. Put them in some. Let me do that right now. Matter of fact. I'm like, I'm fulfilled. Quick if the Lord take me. Whatever anyway. The niggas in Virginia, in that order. Look at that. I don't eat red beans. I don't eat beans, but nothing but baked beans. I tear baked bean up, but I don't eat red beans, brown beans, none of them beans. So I made them beans for my man and some rice, and he better eat it. So yeah, I'm put that back in the refrigerator. Oh, I need to put this back there on the second shelf. Got half and half because it was cheaper. My cheese. I'm not the person that have a whole bunch of cheese. Sometimes I don't have no cheese. But y'all know y'all saw them videos with them folks having all that doggone cheese in their refrigerator. I don't even like a whole bunch of cheese, first of all. But yeah. Yeah, move. What I need. I actually need to figure out, I need to do my meal planning before I see what I need from the store. Because, yeah. Because I don't even know what I'm going to cook. So I don't know what I need for real. I need some drinks for sure. For definitely. Where's my pen though? Some drinks. I just put drinks because I don't ever know what kind of drinks I want until I go to the store and get them. Do y'all like me talking in the video, or do y'all like aesthetically pleasing do y'all like voiceovers? I don't really like voiceovers or doing voiceovers because I can never find the words to say in a voiceover. Or do y'all like just like doing it and then with music over it? I know some people like could feel like we having a conversation or something, but y'all let me know. Let me know in the comments, and I will try to do that for you. But let's continue. Next, this is my fruit and vegetable shelf. So my lettuce, then my lettuce really going bad, but it can still be. It still got a lot of good parts to it, but yeah, you gotta put a paper towel in there with your lettuce to get the moisture so it can last longer. Just in case you didn't know that. Since you came and see me, I need to wash this. I put my like if I get some apples. Well, not my apples, cause you're really not supposed to put apples in the refrigerator. You don't have to. My oranges or some, cause we used to get oranges. I used to put them in here. I used to put my lettuce in here, but I made the mistake of putting this in a dishwasher. Now look at it, and my top broke. And yeah, so now I just put my oranges up in there. But how do y'all store y'all berries? I usually just leave them in that container. Oh man, oh man. And I chop up my onion. I leave my onion sitting out, but once you chop it up, you don't need to leave it sitting out. I put it in a pickle jar. I put my bell peppers in here. I'm gonna start putting my bell peppers in probably the pickle jar too. But yeah, let's put this in the refrigerator. Hot. I'm trying to see what how I'm gonna put in there. Uh, how do y'all store celery, or how do you supposed to store celery? Let me tell y'all something about celery. Y'all remember I told y'all about that chicken salad. She put celery in her chicken salad, and it was delicious. Celery really don't have a taste, so I eat it, but I don't eat it like y'all know. Y'all go get wings, and they put celery in it. I'll just like bite the celery like it's a carrot because I don't even do carrots like that. I don't even eat carrots. But yeah, how do you store celery to keep it fresh longer? Like, let me know in the comments because I really don't know. I think you're supposed to put it in water or something. I seen a video of somebody put in water in a container that's kind of like this hard plastic or whatever. I don't know, but got some celery, so I'm just gonna put it where I had it, I guess. Right there. Got some green onions. I know you're supposed to put these in water, I think, but I need to use these. They really look like they was what it's called wilting when I bought them. But yeah, I'm probably gonna fix my soup tomorrow, and I'm gonna use my green bean, my scallions, green onions. You get away from my porch, you hear? But right for now, I'm just gonna maybe. I got some more pickle jars. I'll put them in there. I can cut this part off. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my. But you gotta put a bag over it because I wanted touching the thing. Right? That ain't what you're supposed to do. Take this rubber band off. Minutes. Okay, it's supposed to be cold water. It smells so good though. Oh, it's really be smelling good. I ain't gonna lie. They're just like, they're just like, they got a tangy smell. Yeah, I know. Put it right there. Is that Ann? Throw that away. I make this look easy. You heard me? You heard me? I have to bounce back. Bounce back. What else go down there? Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Let it. Push it. I'll put it right there for now. My rice. To put my rice in here. I'm gonna take this out of. Oh, this bag is tote up, honey. I'm gonna do my thing. Push, 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 push. Push it. Push it. No. What else? What else? What else? What else? Go right there. Nothing. Let's move to here. What's this? Turkey? No, this is not turkey. This is smoked sausage. That's the only thing. Oh, my cheese. Cheese. Fuck! That hurt. I think that's all that goes in there. So I don't need no cheese. I got cheese. Mozzarella. That's what I like. I need pizza toppings. Because I want to make pizza for sure. And I know I need to get tortillas. I made some quesadillas. And I need some boneless chicken thighs. Do y'all be making homemade pizza? Or from scratch pizza? Because my opinion, homemade and from scratch is like kind of two totally different things. If you use ground beef to make a burger, that's a homemade burger. I guess that's because some so consider from scratch and homemade. Homemade is just make that shit at home. In my opinion, from scratch is like from scratch, like when you making bread, like the flour, all that. This is, you make chicken wings homemade. Make some beef stew, that's homemade. You make your pasta from the flour and all that, that's from scratch. But if you go to the store, buy the box, it's homemade. But anything you can get out the restaurant that's not homemade. That's from the store. What y'all think? Because I think people be using it interchangeably, but you really can't. Because in my opinion, anyway, whatever. Pizza toppings, and I asked that question because I don't know if I want to make the pizza dough myself or buy some dough. So I'm gonna put it on. I'm just gonna put it on here and see. I don't know. With a question mark. Uh, Nobody but us. We ain't got it. All right. That is all for that, I believe. Yes. That's all for my refrigerator. Let's get to this cold freezer now. Which ain't gonna take long because my chicken is cold as fuck. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Wings. I said this a wing. This is, I don't even know if I said that's some chicken thighs, bone in. I feel like I had some more chicken wings. Maybe I thought that was chicken wings, but it's not. Oh no, these is chicken wings right here. They're chicken thighs. My stew meat. I'll make some beef stew one day. Burger. I'll put in a door. Put my this first in the freezer. Hold this up. I'm gonna edit a lot of these out though, but yeah. I'm gonna put it right here. Shrimp. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this shrimp. I'm gonna go to my friend TikTok and find some recipes. I really mind having some steak, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a good steak cooker, so I don't be cooking it for real. This, I'm gonna put this in a door, I think. Or should I put it right here? I'll put it in the door. I have my 2 waffles. Put that in the door. Sausages. Put that right there. Corn. It's my freezer. This that I have yet to open. That I hope not freezer burnt. I need to make me a smoothie for real tomorrow. But because I got some juice. I like making my smoothies with juice rather than water or milk. Milk can be too damn thick. water. I just like the way it tastes with it. Yeah, this, uh, that's it. I'm about to wash my dishes. I'm gonna stop this video right here. I'll be back though. Well, this is the stuff from this cabinet. I was showing y'all. I thought I was recording, but I was not the whole time. But I was saying I'm gonna do the cabinets. I might show y'all that cabinet down there. I don't know, but I'm gonna do these two cabinets, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looked like when it's finished, and you know whatever. And then we can do the grocery list, and the meal planners together. We'll see.